what you call it. Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bad, but can't afford them. Take off. No limit to the money. Nah, I picked the gang up, took a flight across the country. I took the waitress, told her keep the ones coming. Hit the store to get some bag, wasn't left to right running. Looking like they blind, but we already on it. In the left with Celine, like that bag, cause she want it. A lot of team ass bustin' like them jeans, make you want it. Take you wanna spin a 50, hit the scene with a donut. Whole team full of queens, gotta keep their eyes on queen. Snake in the sky, probably wanna slide on. Let they ride on them when I put that prize on them. 10 bad, get your volcano, got 5 of them. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dog like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bad, but can't afford them.
Somebody needs to make a highly produced action film of just neckbeard justice. I would pay so many dollars to watch that.
Yeah, I pray to Lord, I saw the key. Long life never, I got the key. Pull up, make all niggas bleed. I got one like overseas. Bitch, all about like NBA. Bitch, all about like MVP. I got money like envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mom. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a phone in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I'm meaning. I was fighting some demons, and it feels like I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah, and leave you dead on the cement. With the game, we ain't playing fair. Matter of fact, we don't play it all. OG was in the air, but we better run, we smoke it all. Putting on the front, but you better fall. We don't kill them dead, we don't kill them all. I'm 10 to 10 when I'm in the mall. I was on the beam with it in my draw. Hit that smoke and I'm blacking. Hit that smoke and I'm blacked out. If you run, blow it back down. I was gone, but I'm back down. You niggas gon' fall, but I never back down. In the school I was trapping. In the school you was class now. That's it.
I believe my dog is
Pray to Lord, I saw the key.
not completely sure, but
Long life never, I got the key.
what do you mean?
Pull up, make all niggas bleed.
Response, sort of like,
I got one like overseas.
gonna take you
Bitch, all about like NBA. Bitch, all about like MVP. I got one like MVP.
whatever fella you into, to be honest, you bitch. Why? Just why? Why does she need to die now? Why does she need to be murdered by whatever dude she's into? You hope that she's attracted to some murderer that's just gonna slay her and torture her in her basement or something like that. Why? Why do you need that out of this? She just wasn't into you. Your conversation wasn't interesting enough. The laptop mix did not intrigue her to the point of her wanting to go on a date.
For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim right at stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, have a rich sex. Smoke like a tree, need a weed cut. Big tickle, lean with a lean back. Sleeping on the jeans as a beanbag. I been going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan like a fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I felt like a hell when nobody had